Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is also moving up a little bit today. That is basically in line with the forecast from the previous video that we might see a higher B wave here into the region between 41.9 and 44.4 cents. I cannot promise you that the B wave will end here. I have to say that very clearly. The reason is that depending on how I count this, if this is a small 1-2 setup here, then it might go higher. Yeah, obviously we have the possibility that this is just an overshooting B wave which is emerging here. So again, we can add the retracements for an overshooting B wave as well. It's this area, yeah. We obviously have resistance for the B wave start at 41.9 cents, going all the way up to 49.5. It's not just a random area. I mean, this is based on FIBs, okay, FIB levels. Yesterday, you can see how it reacted very nicely to the 50% FIB level. However, if it really is the case that we came down in an A wave, this here is a B wave, and we come down in the C wave, then within that B wave, we have an A, B, C. Then this C wave should go considerably above the A wave high, yeah? And then we have resistance at, and I can give you some levels to watch. You know, I can't promise you or tell you exactly where it will stop and where it will react, but this is resistance for the B wave. And B waves are among the most diverse and variable waves that we have in markets. So they are extremely difficult to forecast and also extremely difficult to trade. So normally a lot of people don't trade B waves because they are really challenging. I mean, as you can see here, this is the resistance to which a B wave can react, which makes it extremely difficult. So we've got 42 cents, 42.9, 44.4, 45.3, 46.3, and 49.5 cents. Yeah. The problem is you can get overshooting B waves and they can be very long. Now, I don't suggest it will end in the higher region here, in the upper region somewhere. The reason is that to calculate a target, yeah, within the B wave, we can use Fibonacci extensions to calculate the more common targets. Yeah, what I've just shown you, these are resistances for B, and then we can check if based on the length of the A wave, because there are certain Fibonacci relationships among the waves. So if we have the length of the A wave and the length of the B wave, we can calculate a target for the C wave. And the very first one that comes up is the 100% extension. That basically is this 42 cent level. This will be important resistance to get through. If we go above that, then the next key level I would watch is first of all here, yeah, the 42.9 cent level. It's the golden ratio, but it's a resistance level. It's the retracement level. And then the next one, and that will be very important, is the 44.5 cent level. 1.618 extension, a very common target for a C wave. And normally it should not necessarily go above that, yeah, in a C wave. If it does, I mean, it can, you know, B waves are difficult. Then obviously we've got the next levels to watch, but there is some confluence at 44.5 cents as well. Looking at the subwave structure, again, it is a B wave, so it's extremely difficult to say. If this is an ABC, then I'd be watching for something like this, but I'm not going to put leave the subwave structure on the chart because it will change. Okay, so this would be ideal, a 5-wave move to the upside. However, and that's what it makes so difficult at the moment, this in the B wave, this could be a WXY. Okay, and then it could very well be that in the WXY we have here an ABC. So that would be perfect here. Honestly, I would be watching the 44.4 cent level, but that's just because we have some FIB confluence and it just would look good from the proportions. But yeah, this is the situation we're in. Not much change from the previous video. I think we have a good chance to get that higher B wave. Again, first level where it should really react is the 42 cent level. And if we break below yesterday's low, and that's at 38 cents basically, we have some evidence that we actually are in the C wave. And this would all be part of the higher level scenario in which we are in a wave 2 correction in an A, B, C structure. And this wave 2 correction is valid and likely. But basically, it's likely that we get a third wave to the upside as long as we're holding the yellow support range. And that goes down all the way to 33.3 cents. All right, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.